Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide songs on Spotify application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Spotify on your phone, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just first here launch my Spotify application. Of course, as you should do as well. Of course, after opening or launching the Spotify application, that will be actually your home screen. So if you want to unhide songs on Spotify, first of all, you would like to go to any playlist or album that has the song that you want to unhide. So let me just go here to maybe a random playlist or album, and then all you need to do, so here we would like to choose one of those songs that we want to unhide. So but first of all, if you didn't hide any song, you would like first of all to hide it. So for me, I didn't hide any songs yet, so if I want to hide it, all I need to do, just go here to any song. So let's just go here to the first song, and as you can see here, the second option we have here is hide this song. So after clicking hide this song, as you can see, hidden and this playlist. So actually, if you start playing the playlist, this song will not be played and it will be hidden. And as you can see here, we have like an icon here with white, which is a circle, and this one in the middle of it's like a line. That means this song is hidden. Of course, if you want to unhide this song, so you'll need to go back to the same playlist and click at the three dots again, then click at this hidden option, and this song, as you can see, will be unhide. So of course, let me just hide this song again. So of course, let's say for example, like you hide a music, but like you forgot where can you find it. So all you need to do, just go here to the recently played, which is like the clock icon at the top right corner. It's at the left of the settings icon. Just go and click on that, and as you can see here, like you will see here, like today, what's the playlist that you have listened to and what are the music that you have listened to. Of course, if you know the dates that you have listened to your music that you want to unhide, just go and click on it. So as you can see, that's actually my song. I'll just go and click at the three dots here, and as you can see, I will find it's hidden. All I need to do, just go and click on it, and as you can see now, it's not hidden anymore, and I can actually start listening to it if I start playing this playlist. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.